Mami pa. Ofem no bele ni mo. Fiti anwachi 5 o'clock a odenye mobogu o. Matwa, shomu fifi. Eh, woman here wa. Ebi so na wo elu baba ibuko so. Ah, ebe na baby nko so. Awo. Awo fi na wo sa atanye me wa. Mo so ma chi osama na bakada. Eh. Ah, well she what telefon. Well be say butu no kuri ni. Eh? Enyi you want to know pam? Yes, I'm a Ghana blaster. No, we are them put out and check your foreign Jesse, Yamoche. Eh? The moon, that's a woman. And you put your company to order to me, 50 Ghana because I am oversized. However, I will feel over you may want. I will sell a name, Sata, and you go so much or some on the back. That be as the maintenance bla moto last week moto what madam as the maintenance bla maintenance me buy pom eko awa if o bele bele ni me wa I want to show turn e bon
Wow, what a creativity by the Almighty God. Hey. No, but I'm not sure this body was created by the Almighty. Devil's incarnate. Temptation. Bagel, you're a wicked eye. Hey, I read you. Na hips are yanku for onche ma obia kakra ka wanko tin afan kofo 7 hips. Hey, you nyumbri na eye. No, but the word trace ente yewa. What can I mean this month no? Na mon kwa bonsem dempo I am ever ready. I see. Hey, I see. But you want temptation. The girl is my set example. You try to ask a man. You the crown, papa.
John, ebon.
Let's go to be call here. You want to see?
Too.